Hello everyone, welcome to social science class. So revisions are started, it is for PT3 examination. So already I have given some syllabus for PT3 exam. You know that history part, towns, traders and craftsmen, it is a chapter number 6 also coming in exam. And chapter number 7, nomads and settled communities. Chapter number 8, popular beliefs and religious debates. These chapters are coming in for PT3 exam. So I will start the revision. So one part is already completed, revision 1, that is the fill in the blanks of chapter number 6 and 7. And today's revision number 1 in this class, I will continuing chapter number 8, popular beliefs and debates. So you can see here some questions I am writing on the board here, 10 questions already and today's question number 11 is question number 11 that the Alvars emphasized love for dash and the Nayanas emphasized love for dash. Question number 12 is the word Sufism is derived from the Arabic word dash. Question number 13, the Alvars and Nayanas proponent bhakti in the dash reason. Question number 14, dash wrote Ramacharita Manasa. Next, question number 15, Nirgunam bhakti believes in dash. So these are the questions of chapter 9. See here student, the Alvars emphasized love for Vishnu. And the Nayanas emphasized love for Shiva. So next question is The word Sufism is derived from the Arabic word. So that Arabic word is the ool. Ool. Okay. Sufism means what? That Arabic word is ool. And next one, the Alvars and Nayanas propounded. Alvars and Nayanas are propounded Bhakti in which region? South India. The answer is South India region. South India region. Okay. Dash wrote Ramacharitamanasa. You know that? Tulsidas. Tulsidas wrote Ramacharitamanasa. Nirguna. Nirguna, Bhakti believes in a formless God. Formless God. So once again I repeating, the Alvars emphasized love for Vishnu. The Alvars emphasized love for Vishnu and the Nayanas emphasized love for Shiva. Okay. And next question is saying the word Sufism. The word Sufism is derived from the Arabic word ool. The Sufism means what? Sufism is the Arabic word. So this Arabic word means ool. Arabic Sufism means what? Ool. So next question. The Alvars and Nayanas propounded Bhakti in the dash region is there. That answer is South India region. So next question, dash wrote Ramacharitamanasa. The answer is Tulsidas wrote Ramacharitamanasa. Nirguna, Bhakti believes in a formless God. Okay student, here total 15 fill in the blanks are in revision number 1. So revision number 1 is completed here. Okay. So these 15 fill in the blanks you prepared for PT3 exam. So perfectly you prepare it for PT3 exam. These 15 fill in the blanks. In these 15 fill in the blanks, so I will giving the exam. Okay student, revision number 1 is completed here and revision number 2 I will continuing in next class. Thank you.